This one is a nice, quick and easy tip, but it's important and a good habit to build, and it's looking after your various versions of your edits. Now there are two sections to this. The first one is before you reopen your project. When you're in your Finder window, just about to open your project, to make changes or carry on with your edit, do one little thing that will give you some added peace of mind, and that's create a copy of your project. Give it a version name and number, and move the older one into an old folder. This means that if anything goes wrong with that specific file, you have a backup exactly where you left off. The other good habit to get into is creating versions inside your project. This is for a slightly different reason. So say for example, you've already finished your main edit, or you're partway through and feel like making some major changes to either the narrative or B-roll, or maybe even change a song. Before you make any changes, duplicate that sequence and slightly alter the name. So I use a V01 and V02 and so on. This saves a lot of heartache and extra work when you realise that the changes you've made aren't as good as the original that you've now changed beyond recognition. Both of these are great habits to get into, and the space they take up is really minimal compared to the time it might take you to rebuild what you've lost. I hope you find this tip useful. For more tips on Premiere, check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo video.